Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is divisibility rule of 11. 2 to 10 rows already I explained in the previous video. If you want to see, just watch in that videos. Now rule 11 I will say. Suppose see this number. Okay. Here just I am giving the positions to this number. Odd position, even position, odd position and even position, odd. Here you may get some doubt. 3 is there, why you just here given even? Here I am not writing according to the number, just positions alternatively here I am giving. Odd, even, odd. Okay, alternatively I am giving just the positions. First place, even place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, like that. I am not giving here, I am not judging according to the number here. Just places or positions just here I am giving. Now, sum of even places. Even places are here 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3, just that equal to 6. Now, sum of odd places. What are the odd places? 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1. That is also 6. Now difference, just write the difference. Here difference is 6 minus 6. Difference is 0. Now rule 11 I am saying, see. The difference between sum of even places or odd places either 0 or divisible by 11. That the given number is divisible by 11. Okay. Just in sometimes they will ask in the exams time, just write the divisibility rule 11. Nothing is difficult here. Down to up just you have to see. Difference between the sum of odd places and the sum of even places are either 0 or multiples of 11. That means 11, 22, 33, 44 like that. Means that number is divisible by 11. Here 0 is there. Therefore given number is divisible by 11. Okay, now one more sum we will see. Here, one more sum. See this sum. Odd position, odd place, even, odd, and even. Now, sum of even places are equal to sum of even places are 7 plus 6 plus 6. 7 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Okay. Now, sum of odd places equal to 8 plus 7 plus 4. 8 plus 7 plus 4. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 also here 19. Okay. Now difference is 19 minus 19, 0. Here also we got 0. So the given number is divisible by 11. Okay, the difference between sum of odd places and the sum of even places either 0 or divisible by 11. That the given number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now see this sum. Odd, even, odd. Okay. Sum of odd places are equal to 6 plus 8 plus 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. Okay. Next. Sum of even places equal to 1 plus 0, that equal to 1. Now difference equal to 23 minus 1, that is 22. Here the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. Here 22 is a multiple of 11. 11 to is 22. So this number also will be divisible by 11. Because 22 we got. This is 22 is divisible by 11. Therefore given number also divisible by 11. Given number is divisible by 11. Suppose take one more number. Odd, even, odd. Sum of odd places equal to 7 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 3 plus 5, 50. Sum of even places equal to 2 plus 4, 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Given number is not divisible by 11. Therefore, the entire number is not divisible by. Here, the difference is not divisible by 11. Therefore, given number is not divisible by 11. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any doubts, just give the comments to the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.